Good morning from Georgetown, South Carolina. In the morning at the beach. This is what we're working with. Beautiful, peaceful. Time to set the intention, your intention, and give it to the universe. Good morning, universe. Good morning. I am so happy. I am so thankful that good things are happening to me, happening for me, happening inside of me, and all around me. Thank you. So much gratitude to the universe. Good morning, universe. Wow, look at that beauty. That sunrise, y'all. I am so happy. I am so thankful that good things are happening to me. Good things are happening for me. Good things are happening inside of me. Good things are happening all around me. And look at this beautiful woman. Yes. Beauty at its best. This is the owner and founder of Kidogo Farms. Go girl.
Oh, let me stop.
Yes. We got Miss Gigi.
One up on another YouTuber here, enjoying the sunrise.
Yes.
And
Woo. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
basking in this beauty
Mm-hmm.
that we call the sunbathing.
Yes.
I'm sunbathing. I'm sunbathing.
Mm-hmm.
Bathe in it.
And we got,
over my
what it do,
body.
DG over here, trying to catch me on camera. I got her. Uh-huh. I got you.
Matter of fact, I got you on Instagram.
Oh, Lord. Good Lord. I hope you didn't show my butt.
I will go through to each of you, and then I will get back, and I will start the sound bath. You will hear 3 taps, and that is when I will begin with that. So you may close your eyes.
Namaste.
Thank you.
I bow to the divine within you all.
Yes. I hope that that was a beautiful setting for you.
It was.
In your own time, because I know you have the breakfast waiting, so if you're hungry, then in your own time, I will leave this out, and you can write anything that came up, any desires that you did really want, write it down, and again, scripting demanded to be so, I thank the run a successful business. I am successful at all of these things as if it is a present moment. And at the end, thanking the universe, thanking whomever you believe, thanking for it to be so. And so it is. And if you want, you can also even sign your name and date it out. And that's what I usually like to do. And hold it, keep it with you. Again, you can bury it, do whatever you want with it. That is your intention. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Palo Santo here as well for you. So I'm gonna grab your paper, the pencil if you would like. Just please return the pencil if you can.
And what about the stone?
The stone, so yes. So when you were actually meditating, you were already instilling your intentions with them.
So do we keep?
Yeah, it's yours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, it's yours. That is
Thank
your
you.
stone. That is yours. And again, for like black tourmaline, you could use more affirmations into I am protected, I am guided, everywhere I go, like I evade, harm. I like to do that, especially with this road trip. I evade harm with ease. I travel with ease. I flow. I get to my destination safely, on time, like with it. And sometimes even being late might be a blessing too. You know?
Yes.
So I arrive there when I need to be there. I am safe. I am protected everywhere I go. Even strangers look out for me in my highest alignment, my highest good. Because you don't want to say strangers watch over me. Okay, so then now you got everybody watching me. So strangers that have the highest intentions for me, the highest good for me, watch over me. I meet those that I need to meet when I meet them. For selenite, I would say similar energy because it's a charger. It's a great transmuter, but if you feel cluttered, if you feel like there's too much energy around you, you had a stressful day, I give this negative energy to the crystal. I transmute that energy. I alter this energy into whatever it is that you do desire. So I alter this stressful energy into revitalized energy. I use the stress to accelerate what I want. I use this stress and anger to fuel as a passion for what I do desire. So doing those things with your crystal, you can set it in the sun, you can use it, put it in the ground. Let his drop, he needed the ground, that little rock needed ground. So, using that, and then also using the moon cycles as well. It's a good one to charge and now you have the Palo Santo you will be getting. You could also smudge it out, and that is a great tool to cleanse that.
Nice, thank you. What was the name of this one more time?
Black tourmaline.
Tourmaline.
Black tourmaline.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.